Hello everyone, welcome back to Langfort International Academy. My name is Anumol and today with me I have Shindo sir and we are here with another OET roleplay video. So if I explain you about today's scenario, it is about a patient who is 58 years old named David and he is here for his pre-operative assessment before his umbilical hernia removal surgery. So I will be playing the role of the nurse and sir will be acting as the patient. So let's see how it goes.
Langfort International Academy. Your passport to the world of opportunities.
Good morning, Mr. David.
Good morning.
My name is Anumol. I'm one of the registered nurses working in this hospital and today I'm here to carry out a pre-operative assessment before your umbilical hernia removal surgery. I hope you're aware about it.
Yes, I was told about it.
Okay, so tell me David, how do you feel today? Are you prepared for the surgery?
Well, I am prepared for the surgery, but I'm a bit nervous too.
I can totally sense that, but please be relaxed. There's nothing to worry about. Okay, so there were some instructions from the surgeon's end that you were supposed to follow. So let me ask you, were you able to comply well with those instructions?
Yes, I have complied with all the instructions.
Okay, that's really nice to hear. So just for my confirmation, I have few questions based on those instructions given by the surgeon. May I proceed?
Sure.
Okay, so tell me David, when was the last time you had food?
I ate 6 hours ago and since then I have been fasting because that's what I was told to do.
Exactly, that was what you were supposed to do and I'm so glad you followed the advice. Another thing that I would like to know is regarding your medicine. When was the last time you took the warfarin?
Oh well, nurse, I actually forgot about it and I took warfarin yesterday.
Oh, is it? That's really unfortunate.
But can we not tell the surgeon about this because I have been waiting a long time for the surgery, so I quickly want to get it done and dusted.
I completely understand what you're trying to say, Mr. David, but let me tell you, this is going to be a vital information for the surgeon, okay? Since you were not able to comply well with the cessation of warfarin on time, you need to discuss with the surgeon regarding your decision to proceed with the surgery.
Okay. Well, then we'll tell the surgeon about it, but then I still hope that he does not delay my surgery because I just want to get it over with.
Okay, I completely understand your point of view on that and your concerns are totally justified. I know you've been waiting for a long time, but then let me tell you the very final decision on regarding your surgery will be taken on the basis of our hospital policy, okay? And I also need to tell you that, the medicine that you took yesterday, warfarin, it is a blood thinner. It prevents your blood from clotting, okay? And Mr. David, as you're going for a surgery, this can actually interfere with your recovery and can create problems like excessive bleeding during the surgery or even in your recovery period. So this is something that the surgeon needs to know, and then on the basis of his discretion, we will decide whether to proceed with the surgery. What do you think about that?
I guess then we'll let the surgeon know about it and then we'll let him decide whether the surgery can be done or not.
Now that's a really sensible approach. And also let me assure you that the surgery that you were supposed to have today is not a medical emergency. That means even if you have the surgery few days after this is completely okay. It's not a critical situation. In fact, it will be a wiser decision to have this surgery when the conditions are a little more favorable, okay, in low risk conditions. Are you able to follow me?
Yes, I do understand.
Okay. Generally also, Mr. David, the surgeon is the right person who will know the details and he'll be able to let you know better about the risk associated with this thing. Okay, so it's better to wait, isn't it? What do you think about that?
I guess I'll wait for the surgeon's final word on this.
Okay, so do you have any more questions for me?
No, I guess.
Okay, so once again, let me reassure you, please don't worry about anything. You can completely relax. Yes, it was unfortunate that you forgot to stop the medicine on time, but please be relaxed. We'll talk with the surgeon, and as I said, even if the surgery is not done today, it's not going to be a problem. Okay, we'd rather wait for some more time. Okay, so I'll inform the surgeon about your case and he will come and meet you soon. Is that okay for you?
Yes, that's totally fine.
Okay, do you have any more concerns?
No, I guess.
Okay, in that case, I would now like to take your leave and the surgeon will see you soon. Thank you so much, Mr. David, for your time and cooperation.
Thank you.
Thank you for watching the video. We hope it was very informative to you. If you like the video, please like, share and subscribe to our channel. We'll be back with another video. Until then, bye-bye.
Bye-bye.